Welcome to Igbological. In this video, we will be looking at the geography of Igboland. Geography is a very important field of study. Knowing the geography of a place leads to a better understanding of that place. Better understanding of a place leads to better planning, decision making, better outcomes, and increased development. There are two types of geography: physical and human geography. Both types will be examined in this video in regards to Igboland. Human geography is the study of the relationship between people and the land they occupy. This includes cultural, political, and economic geography, and such things like countries, their administrative regions, and ethnic groups. Physical geography consists of 4 spheres: the atmosphere, which represents the air; the hydrosphere, which represents the water; the biosphere, which represents life; and the lithosphere, which represents the surface of the earth. Igboland is in the southeastern corner of the country of Nigeria. It is located between 5 and 6 degrees east and 7 and 8 degrees north. Igboland stretches from Nsukka in the north to Port Harcourt in the south, and from Agbo in the west to Abakaliki in the east. Igboland covers an area of approximately 40,000 square kilometers. It is slightly bigger than the West African country of Guinea-Bissau in comparison. Within Nigeria, Igboland covers a total or partial area of 7 Nigerian states. Within these states, Igboland is made up of 115 local government areas. Igboland is surrounded on all sides by the rest of Nigeria. This would make it a landlocked territory. Within Nigeria, Igboland shares borders with rivers Bayelsa, Edo, Delta, Kogi, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, and Benue states. Igboland has a population of over 28 million, giving it a population density of more than 700 people per square kilometer, one of the highest in Africa. Some of the main population centers in Igboland include Port Harcourt, Onitsha, Aba, Enugu, Owerri, and Umuahia. Igboland is the territory of the Igbo people and its many subgroups. The Igbos are surrounded by the Edo and Urhobo people to the west, the Igala, Idoma, and Igede to the north, the Ekoyi to the east, and the Ijo and Efikibibio to the south and southeast. The climate of Igboland is divided into 2 categories: the tropical monsoon climate and the tropical savanna climate. The tropical monsoon climate is known for a heavy rainy season and shorter dry season. Most of Igboland has a tropical monsoon climate. in the central and southern parts. The tropical savanna climate is the climate of the northern part of Igboland. The tropical savanna climate has a moderate rainy season with a longer dry season. Some cities with the tropical savanna climate in Igboland include Awka, Enugu, Nsukka, and Abakaliki. In terms of elevation, most of Igboland is relatively flat, ranging between 0 and 200 meters above sea level. The flattest areas of Igboland are the riverine areas of the Niger Delta in the southwestern part of the territory. The exception to this is the Nsukka Plateau, where the average elevation is around 300 meters. In this plateau is the highest point in Igboland, about 20 kilometers northwest of Enugu, at 578 meters high. Igboland is diverse in terms of vegetation cover. 3 major vegetation types cover Igboland: woodland and tall grass savanna, rainforest, and freshwater swamp. The rainforest areas in Igboland are in the south central, southeastern, and northwestern parts. The woodland and tall grass savanna areas are located in the north central and northeastern parts. The freshwater swamp is located in the Niger Delta area at the southwestern corner of Igboland. Igboland is home to many different rivers and waterways. The most important waterway is the River Niger, known as Orimiri in Igbo language, and it divides Igboland into 2 unequal parts. Other important waterways include the Imo, Anambra, and Orashi rivers. Igboland is very rich in natural resources. Chief of them are oil and natural gas. Other mineral resources include clay, coal, limestone, lead, zinc, and salt. Thank you for watching. More videos about Igboland are on the way. Please feel free to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.